أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We have started the series to learn the Tajweed rules. And in this series, we are now learning the rules of Noon, Silent and Tanween. We have learned about the Idgham, Iqlab, Izhar, and today we are going to learn about the Ikhfa. So before starting the Ikhfa, let's revise this one. Nun sakin, after nun sakin and tanween, when there comes ya, noon, mim, waw, lam and ra, then we do idgham. On ya, noon, mim, waw, we do idgham with gunna, and lam and ra, we do idgham without gunna. I'm revising this just to know that it's very necessary. If you will remember these, so then we can learn easily the ikhfa. Idgham has six letters, ya, noon, mim, waw, lam and ra. Now, after noon silent and tanween, when there comes ba, the letter is ba. So we change noon silent and tanween into meme. This is called iklab. Idgham has six letters, ya, noon, meme, waw, lam and ra. And iklab has only one letter, that is ba. Now, the next one is izhar. Izhar has six letters also. Hamza, ha, ain, ha, khoin, kha. So we make no change in noon silent and tanween when there is these six letters after noon silent and tanween. Our today topic is called ikhfa. That is not akhfa because it's just a mistake, writing mistake. So that is ikhfa, mean to say that with I. So after noon silent and tanween, like this one is noon silent. So after noon silent and tanween, when there is a letter not in idgham, we know that idgham has six letters, ya, noon, mim, waw, lam and ra. Not a letter with iklab, like iklab has ba only. Not a letter with izhar one, like hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. So then we do per ikhfa. Ikhfa mean like the sound is played half through the nose. How sound is played through the nose. So then we read it like normally we read it man, but after noon silent there is ta. Ta is not in idgham, not iklab, not izhar. Now we will read it like ma, a, ma, tu. When you will read it like ma, so don't round your lips. Read it like with the straight lips. Ma, tu, a, ma, tu. Same here. Afternoon silent, there is kaf. Kaf is not in idgham, not iklab, not izhar. So now we will read it like eh, eh, ko, tum. Don't round your lips. After noon silent, there is sheen. So sheen is not in idgham, not iklab, not izhar. So we will read it like me, shar, ri, me, shar, ri. Now, afternoon silent, there is dal. Dal is not in idgham, not iklab, not izhar. So we will read it like dahu, like this. So now moving to the tanween. After tanween, there is fa. Fa is not in idgham, not iklab, not izhar. So now we will read it like Puja ja ja. We are not reading it jan or jaun, but we are reading it ja. Don't round your lips again. Falawla. Same here. Hina idha. We are not reading it thin, but the because after tanween there is ta. Now after noon silent there is za. So we will do ikhfa on noon silent also. So ta zuruna. Same here. After tanween there is kaf. So we will read it like yawma yawma kana. I hope you got it. So after noon silent and tanween, when there is a letter not in idgham, not iklab, not izhar. So then we will do ikhfa on that. Like we will play half sound through the nose. I hope you got the point. Now moving to the beginning. So afternoon silent and tanween. We know that when there comes the letter ba. we do iqlab. We change noon silent and tanween into meme. When there comes ha or kha, we do izhar. No change in noon silent and tanween. Same here. After ain and ghain, we do izhar. No change in noon silent and tanween. After hamza and ha, we do izhar. No change in noon silent and tanween. And after ya, noon, meme, wow. When there comes ya, noon, meme, wow after noon silent and tanween, we do idgham with ghunna. Like we will recite this one as ghunna. After noon silent and tanween, when there comes a lam or ra, we do idgham but without ghunna. Rest of all the letters fa, za, sin, pa, za, qaf, any of the 16 letters, we will do ikhfa on them. I hope you got the point. If you have any kind of question, you can let me know in the comment section. Also, if you want to learn the Quran, please contact on our number which is on the screen. So till the next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.